Russell from Cap Industries here. Today I'm driving my E30 318 IS, and I thought I'd just give you a quick idea of what it's like to drive these cars. So my car, it's a 1990 E30 and it has 230,000 kilometers on it, just under. It's just about to turn over to that 230. It's a 20-year-old car. Well, it's actually older than that. It's 27 years old. 27 years old, and it drives incredibly well. I absolutely love this car. Recently did a little hill climb. Oh, not a hill climb, a really good cruise with it, and it was awesome. Been really an enjoyable car to drive. Quite quick around the twisty roads, which I really like. In a straight line, it's very slow. That's all right. It takes about 10 seconds to get to 100 kilometers an hour or 60 mile an hour. So yeah, it's no rocket ship, but in the time, that was a reasonably good time. That was like when it was made 27 years ago, that was considered pretty quick. So the 318 IS, it is a 1.8 litre dual overhead cam 4-cylinder. A lot of people refer to it as a baby M. It's a pretty desirable car to have these days. They're quite collectible, quite rare. This one is completely stock. I think the only thing that's done to it or changed on it is an Alpine CD player, which is a piece of rubbish. I really wish I had a new one. But other than that, dead stock. Stock suspension, stock wheels, super thin, like 195 tires. But the thing is, it's all it needs. It doesn't need any mods, in my opinion. I love driving it just the way it is. It's smooth, it's really good around twisty roads. Mountain passes of Melbourne or Victoria, perfect car. It goes really well. This one's had a complete paint job, so the whole car's been completely refreshed. It looks really good. It could do with a nice bit of a cut back though, and cut back and polish soon, which I think I need to do. The other thing that I think it needs, let me think about what it needs. New radio and some speakers. That's probably the only thing. Try to be critical. Not a lot more. It drives perfect. I love it. Steering wheel alignment, that's probably the other thing it needs, because at the moment you hold the steering wheel a little bit sideways when you're going straight. Other than that, this car's amazing. If you're in the if you have an opportunity to buy one of these cars, do it, because they're going up in value very quickly. So what sets a 318 IS against just a regular 318i? Well, as I said before, the motor, which is a big difference, much more powerful than the M40. It loves to rev this engine. Easy, you can get chips for it that'll take the rev red line way above 7,000. I've never done that, and I haven't got that chip, but this one really loves to rev out to 6.5, no worries. The interior is different. It's got this anthracite material, I think it's called. It's like a plaid, nice looking material. I'll give you a look at that. It's got a little lip spoiler on the boot. It's got Bilstein suspension, shocks all around. Not super stiff, it's very soft and supple actually, but it soaks up the bumps really well. What else has it got? It's got an MTEC 2 steering, oh no, sorry, MTEC 1 steering wheel. which is a nice little piece. Belts. It's got 15-inch basket weave mags. They're very nice. They look really good, like a BBS rim. It's very simple driving. You get in this little car and there's no fruit like a normal car, like a late model car. Doesn't have traction control. Obviously it probably wouldn't really need that, but it doesn't have any of the driving aids and things that can interfere with the driving experience. You can feel exactly what's going on with this, with the steering. It has a very slow steering rack. A lot of guys put in E46 M3 steering racks, the purple tag ones, and apparently that would help a lot. I think that would be really nice to do. Yeah, they drive really well, and they're just a little bit of fun. They make you feel good when you're driving them. They go pretty well. Makes you happy. And people always are looking at it. You always get guys come past you, give you a thumbs up, because they really appreciate, I think, a stock IS. So many of these things have been butchered by people. Young people get them, lower them as far as they can, and put stupid wheels on them and cheap mods, and the cars just end up turning into a piece of crap. But not this one. This one's a minty. Love it. BMWs have a floor-mounted hinge on the throttle, so it's a really nice little direct association between your foot and the pedal. It feels really, really good. I like it. It's a very light clutch in this car. Easy for daily driving. I drive it all the time. I enjoy it. Remember how I was saying it was just about to crack 230,000 kilometers? Well, it's about to happen.